Many people take medicine every day, but did you know some of these common drugs can quietly harm your body when misused? Today, we're exposing medications people abuse without knowing the danger. Painkillers, very common. Headache? Body pain? Most people quickly reach for painkillers, but using pain relief drugs too often can damage your liver, kidneys, and stomach. What starts as small relief can become a serious health problem. Antibiotics, major misuse. Feeling sick? Some people buy antibiotics without seeing a doctor. This is dangerous. Stopping antibiotics too early or using the wrong one allows infections to become stronger and harder to treat. This is called drug resistance, and it's a global health threat. Cough syrups and cold medicine. Many people misuse cough syrups and flu drugs thinking more is better, but too much can affect your heart, brain, and breathing. Medicine should heal, not harm. Sleeping pills and calming drugs. Trouble sleeping? Some people depend on sleeping pills every night. Over time, your body becomes addicted, and suddenly you can't sleep without drugs. Herbal and natural products. Surprise twist! Even herbal remedies can be dangerous when abused. Natural does not always mean safe. Too much of anything can damage organs. Medicine is powerful. Used correctly, it saves lives. Misused, it can slowly destroy health. Always take drugs as prescribed by a health professional. Your body deserves care, not experiments. If you learned something today, like and share this video. Subscribe for more health education that can save lives.